Let's make the Florida Gator. We're going to go ahead and use equal parts, well, not equal parts of rum. That's 3 parts. The jigger we're using today is a 1 ounce jigger. The 1 ounce will be the 1 part. Well, actually, you know what? Hey, let's put a little ice in the glass first. Then we'll start with the liquor. 1 ounce, 2, and 3. Now we're going to use a little bit of maraschino liqueur, which is self-explanatory. And 1 part of triple sec, which is going to be 1 ounce also. A little bit for grandma to boot. We'll take a little OJ, a little fresh squeezed OJ. Put some color and some taste to it. Since it has fresh squeezed juice, we're going to shake thoroughly. And possibly wear some in the process. We started with a chilled cocktail glass. Receives a cold drink better than a warm glass. You find your strainer. You strain into the chilled cocktail glass. And it doesn't get any better than this. Florida Gator. Cheers.